In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Shopify bill manually. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to the Finance section, then choose Bill Pay. This is where all of your vendor invoices and payment options live. If a bill hasn't already synced automatically, you'll see an option to make a payment. Click Make a Payment to begin the manual process. Once you're in the payment screen, you'll be prompted to enter invoice details. You can type the information directly into the form, or upload supporting files such as a PDF or a JPG of the vendor invoice. When you add files, make sure they are legible and include the invoice number, vendor name, and the billed amount, since these help with reconciliation later. If any fields are blank, fill in the missing information, most importantly the vendor name, the exact amount due, and the due date. Accurate data here prevents late fees and keeps your bookkeeping tidy. Next, you'll choose how to pay. Shopify offers several payment methods. If you prefer a card, select credit or debit card, and you'll have an option to add a new card if one isn't already saved. Enter the card details carefully and check the billing address matches what your bank has on file. If you have funds in Shopify Balance, you can choose that as the payment source for a faster settlement. Bank account is another option, which uses ACH or direct debit for payment. If you select a bank account, confirm that the account is verified and has sufficient funds, since ACH transfers can take a few business days to clear. When your payment method is selected and all details are entered, click Continue to move to the review screen. Take a moment here to double-check everything: vendor name, invoice number, amount, due date, and the payment method. This is your last chance to correct typos or select a different funding source. Finally, choose whether to schedule the payment for the due date or pay immediately, then confirm the action. After you submit the payment, you should receive confirmation in Shopify and, if available, an email receipt. Keep that receipt for your records and reconcile the payment in your accounting system when it posts. A few quick tips. Use clear invoice scans when uploading files. Make sure your bank or card is verified to avoid delays. And confirm the due date to prevent late payments. That's everything you need to manually pay a Shopify bill.